I would say the Tempest Society is a sort of meditation on the question of equality. How do we share the same space, that space being a theater stage in that film, and how do we use it collectively?
Δεκαετία του 1970, στο Παρίσι, ένας βορειοαφρικανός εργάτης και δύο φοιτητές μαζί παλεύουν για την ισότητα και τα δικαιώματα των μεταναστών.
I ask myself questions with images and sounds that I then share with the viewers, but I'm also maybe more a storyteller than an artist. I'm not the one who tells the stories, but there is a sort of community that is built up around the project that becomes a sort of community of storytellers.
Ο ρατσισμός είναι άγνοια, φόβος, φθόνος και συμφέρον. Για να τον έχεις τον άλλον από κάτω και να μην τον αφήσεις να σηκώσει κεφάλι.
I won't say that they are characters, and in the film, their names are their names. So they are who they are. And I didn't find them in the sense that I don't make castings, because I don't want to work on a project with like profiles in mind and people have to look for. It's rather about meeting people, which is a very important aspect of my practice. The other film is also a sort of meditation on history as well, because it focuses on the visit of Jean Genet in the United States in 1970 and the solidarity he offered to the Black Panther Party, which leadership was at that time arbitrarily detained. So he went to the US and spent 2 months there with them, literally touring the country, giving lectures, talks, collecting money for them as well. And almost 50 years after, we see 2 young African-American women speaking in the place where Genet gave his first speech in the United States.
So who is the witness? The one who still speaks beyond death? The one whose books speak for him? And for those who can't speak anymore? And those who are silenced? The one who can't speak anymore, but whose memory remains with us.